Wonderful success and luxurious prosperity surround me and flow throughout my entire being and every aspect of my abundant life at every moment. I am worthy of achieving rewarding success in all of my honest and genuine endeavors, and I gladly receive it easily and effortlessly. I am an infinitely rich and valuable individual who is full of many marvelous talents that the world is happily ready to enjoy every day. I feel content that I always do my best in every situation, and because of this, it is easy for me to release the past, since my best is all that I can do, and that is perfectly all right. I love and accept my unique self just the way I am. The absolute best and the absolute highest come to me, surround me, and protect me at every moment. My body, mind, and soul are overflowing with wealthy, prosperous, and successful energy that infinitely radiates from my being and flows through and saturates every aspect of my terrific life. Thank you for that. I am wealthy, healthy, happy, loved, and rich, inside and out. I am a welcoming magnet for vibrant success, an infinite abundance of money, and overflowing prosperity. Thank you for this precious and beautiful life that I am graciously blessed with experiencing every day. Thank you for my luxurious career and job that bring me wonderful success and beautiful joy every day. I am always in the right place at the right time, doing exactly what I like to do. I humbly deserve and receive abundant wealth and prosperity in every aspect of my life. I am talented, unique, and creative, and gladly accept myself for the terrific person I am. Every day I am surrounded by all of the good things that help make me a better person in every way. I am successful at everything I do because I always give 100% and do the very best that I can. I am always a winner through and through. I am wealthy, healthy, happy, loved, and rich, inside and out. I am grateful for all of the good things that I have, and am proud of everything I have achieved. I have a successful energy all around me that attracts I gladly release all stress and negativity from my entire precious being and life, easily and effortlessly. Peace, gentleness, and soothing calmness flow blissfully through marvelous me at every moment, allowing my wonderful body, intelligent mind, and gracious soul to be content in every way. Goodness, generosity, and kindness are wonderfully attracted to me because I am a good, generous, and kind person, and I thoroughly enjoy giving and receiving goodness in every aspect of my prosperous life. I enjoy letting go of stress, anger, and disappointment because it is my free choice to be a happy, content, and better person, and to improve my already successful life, and to make smarter and wiser decisions in every situation that I encounter. I always do my very best and easily give 100% in every positive challenge. And I accept my personal best to be all that is ever needed, and that is perfectly okay. I am grateful for who I am. Each day I lovingly find some alone time to gather my creative and prosperous thoughts, to confidently focus on my positive goals, and to enjoy some abundant, magical dreams. I love and accept my special self just the way the incredible universe created me. I always try to be my good and unique self today, and I gently let my precious and worthy feelings wander free, and I allow my valuable self to be expressed successfully and effortlessly. I graciously start fresh and clean with each new glorious day, because each special day is a